Have you ever been told that transforming your thoughts and beliefs is the key to realizing your dreams? Does this idea seem too idealistic or unrealistic to you? Are you open to adjusting your mindset and beliefs to attain the level of financial abundance you desire? If so, then continue watching this video for a deeper exploration of how this principle can be applied effectively in your life. Keep in mind that everything humans create, whether it's structures, systems, or any other invention, originates from their thoughts. Before bringing anything into existence, individuals must first conceive and visualize it in their minds. Without thought, they cannot design, craft, or shape anything. Ultimately, the world is governed by the power of thought. Thought is a powerful force that influences your life, even though it's intangible and unseen. What you think about tends to show up in your reality, unless you counteract it with opposing thoughts. Your thoughts have the ability to create tangible outcomes through your subconscious mind. If you focus on thoughts of poverty, you'll likely experience lack, regardless of your current wealth. Conversely, if you consistently think about abundance in all aspects of life, you'll attract richness due to the law of reciprocal relationship. This means that if you believe, "Wealth is mine now," and stick to that belief, your subconscious mind will respond by bringing wealth into your life in various ways. All inventions, whether man-made or natural phenomena, originate from the invisible storehouse of your mind. Your thoughts lead to actions and creations, shaping the world around you. For example, the thought of moving from your chair results in physical motion, while the idea of projecting voices and harmonics led to the invention of television. You exist within a thought world where your thoughts have significant influence on your experiences and surroundings. The universe itself is a manifestation of thought, as the infinite presence conceived of it, and the universal mind brought it into existence with meticulous precision. Every aspect of the physical universe, including stars, planets, and galaxies, arose from the orderly and mathematical thoughts of the infinite thinker. Even natural phenomena like trees are a result of thought in action. The infinite thinker envisions trees, and the universal mind sets in motion the forces that bring forth all types of trees according to their inherent growth principles, which remain constant throughout nature. Riches are plentiful around you because divine presence, though unseen, is everywhere, like the air we breathe. Just as there is an endless supply of air, this presence is infinite life and substance, the essence behind all that exists. By aligning your consciousness with this presence, you overcome any sense of lack because it is the source of all blessings and supplies everything needed for existence. Just as you can take as much air as you need without depleting its abundance, you can tune in with the infinite and receive boundless opportunities and blessings. This presence is like an ocean of abundance, where you can take as much or as little as you desire, and there will always be plenty left. By connecting with this infinite source and thinking expansively, you attract goodness and abundance into your life. It brings joy to the divine to provide you with health, happiness, peace, joy, and material abundance. Start recognizing that the creative power within you knows no bounds. There's no need to limit the extent of what you can enjoy and experience through this boundless power. You are tapping into the infinite source, and there's no need to worry about taking too much, as this storehouse is infinite, eternal, and constant. Human folly lies in not realizing the true wealth within, instead focusing on external possessions as the real riches. Understand that your true wealth is in aligning with the source of abundance, the creative power of your own mind. Think big, generously, and liberally, and you'll attract various forms of wealth, whether it's money or other manifestations of abundance. You possess omnipotence within, ensuring an abundance of power, infinite peace, boundless joy, absolute harmony, and countless ideas for success, expansion, improvement, and creativity are readily available. Connect with the infinite riches within, and you'll find a wealth of opportunities and resources. Remember, all things are ready if the mind is prepared. The key to becoming wealthy lies in understanding that your thoughts have the power to materialize riches from the infinite source. Everything you see around you, every object and process, is a result of the infinite intelligence's thought. Just as the infinite's thoughts manifest into reality, your thoughts of wealth, prosperity, and success are crucial for solving financial problems. For instance, when the infinite envisioned a sequoia tree, it set in motion the forces necessary for its creation, even though it took centuries to grow. Similarly, when you want to overcome financial challenges, recognize your ability as a thinker to generate ideas, plans, and purposes. Understand that everything you create, whether structures or inventions, originates from your thoughts. Therefore, fill your mind with affirmations such as, "I trust in God and all things good. God is my immediate source of supply, providing me with necessary ideas at the right time. Divine riches flow freely in my life, ensuring a surplus." By repeating these truths and feeling their reality, you cultivate an abundant mindset. Regardless of economic conditions or other circumstances, you'll always have an abundant supply, no matter how money manifests. Money serves as a medium of exchange, representing freedom, luxury, and joyous living. It's a divine concept that sustains the economic health of nations and should be used wisely and constructively. By believing that money is not just good, but very good, and by imagining yourself as a distributor of wealth, you open the doors to greater abundance. Your belief in your right to financial security and your service to others lead to happiness and prosperity. Visualize yourself achieving greater success and receiving abundance with deep gratitude. Use the following prayer to affirm your relationship with money. Money is a divine idea, symbolizing wealth and exchange. It is good and flows abundantly from the infinite source. I use it wisely and bless mankind with it. Wealth flows to me in abundance, and I am grateful for the divine supply. Through this mindset, you align with the infinite abundance of the universe. If this message resonated with you, I warmly invite you to support us by liking and subscribing to our channel. Share this video with others to spread its valuable message, and feel free to leave a comment below, sharing your thoughts, reflections, and experiences. Thank you for watching and joining us. Take care until we meet again.